Welcome to today's quick and easy guide where we'll walk through how to change your default notification action in the Gmail app to archive. If you get a ton of emails every day and just want a faster way to clear your inbox, this simple tweak can make your Gmail notifications work exactly how you like them. So let's get it started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Now, scroll all the way down until you find settings and tap on it. If you have multiple email accounts connected, choose the one where you want to update this option. Once you're inside, tap on General Settings. Under General Settings, you'll see an option called Default Notification Action. This setting controls what happens when you swipe or tap on a Gmail notification from your phone's notification bar. By default, Gmail might set it to delete, but if you prefer to keep your inbox tidy without losing messages permanently, this is where you can change it. Go ahead and tap on Default Notification Action. You'll see two choices, Archive and Delete. To make sure your emails are just removed from your inbox but still safely stored in your Gmail account, select Archive. That's all it takes. From now on, whenever you clear a Gmail notification, the email will be archived instead of deleted, keeping your inbox clean and your messages intact. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference if you manage a busy inbox or if you just want to swipe through notifications without worrying about losing important emails forever. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tips just like this. Thanks for watching.